Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, my name is Nipututjara Pritayanti from class 4A Mathematics Education with name 2013011004. On this occasion, I will discuss the material from class 7, namely integers and fraction, namely the operation on integer. Okay, let's get started to material. So, before getting into the material, we will remember what is a number line. A number line is a straight line where each point is assumed to represent a real number and each real number refers to a certain point. This number line consists of three numbers, namely one positive integers, namely 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, 2, 0, and 3 negative integers, namely negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on. This number line is very useful in studying integers operation, which serves as a tool in performing a number operation in the form of addition, subtraction, and other operation. Next, operation on integers. The operation on integers consists of 4 operations, including 1 addition operation, 2 reduction operation, 3 multiplication operation, and 4 division operation. And the properties of the integer operation include 1. Commutative property. A plus B equals B plus A. B A times B equals B times A. 2. Substitution property. A plus B plus C equal A plus B plus C. B A times B times C equals A times B times C. 3. Distribution property. A plus B times C equals A times C plus B times C. And B A minus B times C equals A times C minus B times C. Next, I will discuss the addition operation. The properties of the addition operation. 1. Closure property. A plus B equals C. Example, 22 plus 34 equals 56. 2. Commutative property. A plus B equals B plus A. Example, 34 plus 22 equals 22 plus 34 equals 56. 3. Associative property. A plus B plus C equals A plus B plus C. Example, 22 plus 21 plus 5 equals 22 plus 21 plus 5 equals 40. 8. For identity property, a plus 0 equals 0 plus a equals a. 5. Distributive property, a times b plus c equals ab plus bc. There are two ways to solve the addition operation, including 1. Addition using the number line. 2. Addition without using a number line. Equation in a village library as a large collection of books. Among them, there are 67 fiction books and 25 non-fiction books. How many books are there in the library? Solution: a number of books equals number of fiction books plus number of non-fiction books equals 67 plus 25 equals 92. So the number of books in the library is 92 books. Okay, equation 2 determine the addition of the integers below. A 2 plus 4, B 7 plus minus 5, C 50 plus 20, and D 21 plus 22. Solution: A 2 plus 4. Using the number line with step 1, we create a number line. 2. We make a help line at the 0 point. 3. Because the problem is 2 plus 4, then the first one made in 2, which from the 0 point move 2 steps to the right. 1, 2. Like this. 4. We make a second one, which is 4, which from the 2 point move 4 steps to the right, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we get the result is 6. B, using the number line with step 1, we make a half line at the 0 point. Sorry, 1, we create a number line. 2, we make a half line at the 0 point. 3, because the problem is 7 plus minus 5, then the first one made is 7, which from the 0 point move 7 steps to the right, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, we make a second one, which is negative 5, which from the 7 point move 5 steps to the left, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we get the result is 2. See, 50 plus 20 equals 70, and the 21 plus 22 equals 43. Okay, so the presentation of the material for me. In the end, let me say thank you. Om Santi 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 Om.